SendPulse offers a user-friendly chatbot builder that allows you to create AI-powered chatbots without coding skills. You can try the SendPulse chatbot for free using the link in the description. A chatbot is a software program that interacts with users via text or voice. SendPulse chatbots can operate on multiple platforms, including websites, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, WhatsApp, and more. Easily design conversational flows using a visual interface without any coding knowledge. Utilize AI to understand user inquiries and provide relevant responses, improving user engagement. Seamlessly integrate the chatbot with your CRM system, email marketing software, or other tools for streamlined communication and data management. Once logged in, navigate to the chatbot section in your dashboard. Click on Create a Chatbot to start building your bot. Use the drag-and-drop interface to design the conversational flow of your chatbot. Define user responses and bot actions. Customize the appearance of your chatbot to match your brand identity. Connect your chatbot to the platforms where you want it to operate, such as your website or social media accounts. Test your chatbot to ensure it functions as expected, then deploy it to start engaging with users. Monitor the performance of your chatbot and analyze user interactions to optimize its effectiveness. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try the SendPulse chatbot for free.